सर मुझे ये जानना है कि हाउ डू यू रियली लुक एट कंपनीज एंड वो 2-3 इंस्टिंक्टिव फिल्टर्स क्योंकि बिना एनुअल रिपोर्ट खोले, बिना बैलेंस शीट देखे आपको समझ आ जाता है यार इसको स्टडी करना है एटलीस्ट या इसको रिसर्च करना है, डीप डाउन करना है एंड देन यू आइडेंटिफाई योर जेम्स।
तो आई अगेन से दैट है ना, हर इन्वेस्टर, हर पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजर के स्ट्रेंथ्स होंगे, वीकनेस होंगे, एंड देयर विल बी सम बेसिक फिलॉसफी व्हिच एवरी इन्वेस्टर विल हैव। मेरा हरदम यही मानना है कि यू शुड बिलीव इन एंड यू शुड वर्क ऑन व्हाट यू एक्चुअली फील इज योर स्ट्रेंथ। And at least from my perspective, because of my CA background and CFA background and my, I would say, interest in reading balance sheet, I'm a very number and fundamental focused investor. And balance sheets, obviously, I believe that presentations are made, balance sheets are derived. Yeah. So balance sheet investing is what at least works for me. बहुत mistake किए लाइफ में, but मेरा एक ही मानना रहता है that mistakes repeat नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Correct.
Can make a new mistake every time. I think mistakes करके सीख के, obviously we did more things right than wrong. That's why we were able to deliver what we delivered. So ROC, ROE is a very important idea. Because अगर कोई promoter या management if they don't have discipline in terms of capital allocation, तो आगे पीछे उसमें compounding या लंबा रिटर्न नहीं, तो 14-15% ROC, ROE is what we look for. Correct. दूसरा क्या है, we are investing in listed space. We are not investing in high risk, high return kind of investment on the private space. Therefore, for us, profitability and cash flow positiveness is very important.
Right.
हमारा ये मानना है कि अगर कोई कंपनी प्रॉफिट कर रही है, कैश फ्लो पॉजिटिव है, दैट मीन्स दे नीड कैपिटल टू ग्रो, नॉट टू बर्न.
Correct.
And they will survive forever. So profitability and growth in profitability, ideally profit doubling in 4 to 5 years is very, very great. And third is we have, unfortunately or fortunately, whatever you call it, very value conscious. हमारा एक सिंपल फिलॉसफी है, the best company is not necessarily the best stock if it is priced beyond perfection. And we have seen so many companies, great companies, but trading at very, very high multiples with growth rates quite low. उसमें आपका पैसा नहीं बनेगा. Near term में आप growth stock है, quality stock है, you can justify whatever you want to justify. But ultimately, the growth will determine how much multiple that stock will get. Momentum, very difficult to resist, but that is something again, we have just dissuaded us from. So in a very momentous kind of market, होता है कभी-कभी feel अरे stock बढ़ गया, but then एक solace भी होता है because we have seen more often than not when stocks move up far beyond their fundamentals or only on the basis of momentum, वो फिर से नीचे आ जाता है. तो मार खा के सीख लिया, कर रहे हैं भी काम. Hopefully this will work going forward.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.